Samsung is preparing to unveil its next generation Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone, which is set to feature significant camera upgrades. The device will use a high-resolution 50 megapixel camera sensor for ultra-wide, replacing the 12 megapixel sensor used in previous models. Additionally, the 3x optical zoom lens is being upgraded to a 50 megapixel sensor. Also, these improvements will be extended to the standard S25 and S25 Plus models as well. Furthermore, Samsung will use Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets for the entire S25 series, abandoning its own Exynos processors. Alongside the smartphone updates, Samsung is also working on the next generation of its Bixby AI assistant, aiming to implement core-level AI features that will be integrated into the upcoming OneUI 7. Lastly, Samsung is developing a new Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra tablet, which will feature a similar design to the previous generation but is expected to powered by the latest Qualcomm chipsets, potentially even utilizing the advanced Snapdragon X Plus processor. What are your thoughts about this? Tell me in the comments below and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.